5 easy ways to make your stainless steel sink sparkle and shine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want your stainless steel sink to stay sparkling like the day it was installed? In this video, I'll share simple and effective tips to keep your sink shiny, spotless, and looking brand new every single day. Daily cleaning. Start by rinsing your sink after each use. Use a soft sponge with mild dish soap and warm water to remove grease and food stains. Then, wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth. Don't let water sit, as it leaves hard water spots and dull marks. Dry it after every use. Water spots are the biggest enemy of shine. Always dry your sink with a soft towel after rinsing, no air drying. This prevents hard water stains and mineral deposits. Weekly deep clean. Once a week, sprinkle baking soda all over the sink. Next, spray some white vinegar, let it fizz for a minute. Scrub gently along the grain, rinse with warm water, and dry completely. This simple combo removes stains and restores that mirror shine. Add some shine. Put a few drops of olive oil or baby oil on a soft cloth and buff the surface. This not only adds shine but also prevents fingerprints and water spots. What to avoid? Avoid harsh cleaners, bleach, and steel wool. They scratch and damage the finish. Instead, use a sink grid or silicone mat to protect it from heavy utensils. Follow these easy steps, and your stainless steel sink will keep shining like new for years. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home care tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.